guys, you're welcome to Forex Success. So how do you catch this kind of spikes like this? How do you catch it? That is what I am going to share with you. So today I'm going to share with you a spike catching strategy that is going to help you make crazy amount of money trading, crash, and boom. So watch this video to the end and make sure you hit the red subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when we drop a new video. This strategy is working perfectly. We have a lot of testimonies regarding this strategy. It is tested and trusted. So watch me while I show you all you need to do so that you get an alert like boom to know that a spike is coming. How can you catch this spike? Imagine you catch a spike here, catch a spike here. Continuously, you can see you can even get to catch this kind of spike again. So let me show you how we do this right here. So you just need three beautiful indicators that is going to show you this. The first is the average directional movement. So you click on indicator tab, click on the plus right here, then select the average directional movement. So you're going to set your period on period 50. This, put it on 2 pixel, the style 2 pixel, so every one of it 2 pixel. Then another thing you should do is make this color the color of your screen. My screen is dark right now, so I'm putting it black. Then the D negative, make it also the color of your screen. So you can see, because I'm using the dark screen, so both of them are black. So for this 2 pixel, I'm gonna leave mine as green. So another important thing you need to set is the levels. Just come here, click on the plus button here so that you can add, because you need more levels. So the first level is 0. The second one is 5. Just set it the way I'm doing it now. Third is 10. Guys, don't worry, watch. This strategy is gonna interest you so well. 35 and then 0 and the last 0. So these are the levels you need. So that's all, guys. That's all for the levels. So now you go back, then click done. So let's see how it is. So this is how it is now on my chart. As you can see, that's how it is right now on my chart. Okay, so then next thing we want to do is to select the next indicator, which is commodity channel index. So on commodity channel index, I'm gonna select also on indicator window 1, please. Indicator window 1, commodity channel index, search for that. Then we're gonna set our period on period 14. Beautiful. Make it 2 pixel, typical price, yes. Then leave the levels at -100 and 100. That's all you need to do. Then you click done. Last indicator, so the last indicator on indicator, so let's see how this is right now. Sorry guys, there's an issue. We're setting this on indicator window 1. This commodity channel should be on indicator window 1, same as the average directional movement index. So I'm gonna look for it again. Commodity channel index, same parameters, just as you can see, period 14, style 2 pixel. Then you click done. So it's right here. I'm gonna delete this. Deleting hold on, or deleting this one here. So this is what we're deleting. All right, deleted. Okay, so that was deleted. So this is all we need. The last indicator we'll need is moving average on indicator window 1. Remember, moving average. So for the moving average, we're using period 10. Period 10, shift 0. Method should be simple. Apply to close. Then the star, we use 4 pixel. So let's use red for this color, red. So we'll click done. So that's it. Okay, so the indicators are set. So now you'll be wondering, how should you use this indicator? How should you know that it's about to spike to the upside or to the downside? I'm gonna show you. So let's start with crash 500 index. You know, crash spikes to the downside and boom spikes to the upside. Okay, so now the first thing you need to know is that this strategy works on 1 minute time frame, and the second thing you need to know is that we are using a third zoom level. This is the first zoom level, this is the second zoom level, third zoom level. So this is the zoom level that we're using, third zoom level. I'll take that again, first zoom level, second, then third. So this is the zoom level that we are using for this strategy. All right, so now how do I know it is going to spike? If you notice, guys, all you need to wait for is this is all you need to wait for, guys. Let me show you. You just need to wait for this. You need to monitor this red line, red line. You can see this red line here. This is all you need to wait for. Just observe the red line. As soon as you see the red line goes above this 100 level, you start looking for a buy. So if 100 line goes above this 100 level here, then you start looking for a buy. You wait for price to close, for the red line to cross this green line, then you wait for a spike, just like what happened here. You can see how it happened there. Then again here, as it crossed above it spiked, right? This is the spike. So anytime this happens, it's gonna spike. Just so you know, just as everything is not 100%, trust me, there are some tricky things that this strategy might want to do to you, but I'll still show you the hack, don't worry. So this is another beautiful place where it spiked to the downside. So let's see another one again. This is it again. As it crossed above it, it spiked. You can see once it crossed above it, the hack, I promise you, this is it. So as soon as it crossed above here, in as much as it crossed above the green line at the above 100 level, it's gonna spike. So that is it. As soon as it spikes, you take your money, look for another opportunity again, right? Beautiful. So another thing I want to share with you, so that you don't get to fall for this kind of mistakes, because sometimes it might be tricky. This is it. Hold on, guys, let me show you. This is going to help the way you take these trades, the way you trade this crash. So this is it. If you notice, just watch my screen. If you notice, there are some points where price closes above, or rather where the red line pushes to the upside. There are some points, just for example, if you push it, just notice this guy, notice this red line here, notice it, just keep your eye on it. If I push it backward like this, it is above it, but if I push it forward, it is below it. You can see. So this kind of intersection of the red line, please don't trust it. It might not spike. But the ones whereby, just like this, you can see at the beginning of the screen, it is above it, but if you push it backward, you can see it's leaving it. But this type like this one, let's see this one, at the beginning of the screen it is there, but if you push it backward, it is still there. So these are the kind of intersection you can trust. You can see spike, this kind of one again. So the moment you get to the point where you see the intersection, try to push it to the back, try to push the chart to the back and push it forward. If the intersection doesn't change, if it doesn't push itself downward, then you can trust such kind of setup. Is that good, guys? So just like this, imagine this, just see this particular red guy here. So it's changed. So there are some that won't change, just like this. You can see, so this particular one here, at this point it spiked, but you can see it was just 2 mini spikes and then pushed up back So this particular one, watch it. If I push the screen to the front side, it's pushing downward, which means it's not valid, it's not strong. But this other one that you can trust, this one you can see, and you can see the result spiked way, right? So that's it. So please take note of that. And if you want an effective spike, always wait for this kind of setup that won't push to the front or backside even if you push your screen. So that is it for crash. So how do you use it? That is it for crash. How do you use it for boom? Just the opposite of it, how you use it for crash. So for boom index, you need to wait for it to come down oversold level right here. Sorry, I need to clear something, guys. Let me clear this so that it doesn't get to distract you. This guy needs to be black. Done. So that those multiple levels don't get to distract you. All you need to be seeing is the positive 100 and the negative 100. Beautiful, just like this, guys. It's the day. But anyways, that's for that. So this is the negative 100 line. You can see. So to buy for boom 500 and boom 1000, notice the negative 100 line. This is it. Once the red line is below it and then the red line cross below those green line, you start looking for a buy spike. This is a perfect example here. This is a perfect example. The moment it crossed below it, you can see cross below it right here, and then it spiked to the upside. So people who took on this buy enjoyed this spike. You can see they enjoyed that spike. And then another example is this. Look at here again, switch opportunity right there for the buy. Another switch one again is here. You can see you can catch this multiple times of the day, multiple times. This spike to the upside, make money. This spike to the upside, and then you make money continuously, spike to the upside, make money, right? So that is how this strategy works. Now let me give you something that will keep you safe: risk management. So some of you don't involve risk management in your trading. And then if your strategy fail you just once, it will take out your account. That's not how you're supposed to do. So you need to have a plan. If you have your $50 in your account, you need to set it as, okay, let's say 10% of it. Let's assume you have $100 in your account, risks $5 per trade. Just for example, your conditions are met here. This is the condition. Oh, I see a beautiful buy here. Then take your buy, set it that if I see risk just $5 on it, so that in case it doesn't go your way, you lose just $5, and the time it will go your way, you will make more than $40. I mean, this kind of spike can give you up to $40. So you know, if it doesn't go your way, you lose small, and if it goes your way, you make more. That is how trading is. So nice. So thank you for watching this strategy. Make sure you backtest it on your demo account before you impute it into your live account. Do well to make money. Follow this channel and like this video. Share it to your friends so that they can also enjoy the strategy. Nice one, guys.